everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home and
Anesthesia.
welcome back to our
This
channel.
is my room and my Pokemon game.
And her Pokemon game. Here it says that I'm cooking chicken. Hold on. There we go. Alright. So I'm cooking some chicken today for lunch. And we'll probably have some snow peas and what I got? Snow peas, cake, snow peas, radishes, and an apple over there. I got some peaches. I like to think about making some peach jam or something, or jelly or something like that. Anyway, back to the chicken. Today I seasoned it with parsley, garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder, kosher salt, chives, oregano, ginger, and my shiitake mushroom powder that I made. So, that is what I seasoned the chicken with today. Smells really good. Yes. So chicken and some vegetables for lunch today. Just to change things up. Also, I'm going to make another smoothie. I've got strawberries, mangoes, and cherries in it. I'm going to put my collagen powder in there. This time I will add some beetroot powder. Now, if you get beetroot powder, be careful with it, because it's beets, it's powdered beets. It's still the same. I'm going to add some flaxseed. Flaxseed is really good. Really good for you. It's good for your joints, arthritis. It helps with, it's a source of fiber to help go to the bathroom. It helps with your blood. So, I've taken flaxseed, oh my goodness, since 1998. Not all the time like I should have, but, oh yeah, it's really good. It also can be substituted for an egg. So, if I remember correctly, it's like, it's all on the internet too. So, it's a tablespoon of flaxseed to, I think, half a cup or a cup of water, something like that. And then you can substitute that for an egg. So I've got the flaxseed in there.
Egg? Did you say egg?
It can be substituted for an egg. Now I bright to use that up. I still have.
What's
This
that?
stuff is dark. It's like I have about that much left. Cat's claw.
I have Pokemon eggs.
You have Pokemon eggs.
Pokemon
Wow, Poke eggs. Wait, you think you can get the milk out, Banana? I'm just going to list over my head and make sure I got everything in here. So, and then I'm going to use almond milk. Excuse me. There we go. If I'm walking funny, because I am walking funny. And it seems like after I don't know if y'all can hear me. If I'm walking funny, it's because I am. See, like, after I went to the hospital, it's just like, this has gotten worse. So, yeah, you do what you gotta do. And this thing is loud. And there you go. Nice and red, because all the red is strawberries and cherries, and then that beetroot really makes it red. Alright. This on the other top. And we'll do a taste test. Tastes good. If you want to, if it's, you know, kind of bland, or I use
I
stevia.
changed to my V card and now it looks like this.
Oh my goodness. A little bit too much stevia. But just a little bit of stevia. Take it out. There you go. Definitely good. Put it in the fridge, let it chill, and there you go. You've got your smoothie, shake smoothie. Alrighty. My plate's over here. So, last night, on Path for Homestead, Charlie didn't pick to do the vinegar and milk. The vet came in that was cucumber and lime. So I told Charlie I would do that also. So I'll make a video with that here in a little while. But yeah, cucumber and lime tastes pretty good. I've had that before. So that is actually a really good combination. Cucumbers and kiwi with some blueberries. I've done that as a smoothie. Chicken is almost done. I'm gonna cut up some radishes. You know, I'll get the skin part and she'll get the other part. Do you want some radishes?
No, thank you.
You don't want radishes today?
Well, I'll take some tiny ones.
Look how big these are.
God.
I don't think there's any tiny ones in this one at all. Hold on. You can't do it
We
like
got
that.
cake.
What? Then you can hold it like that so they can see.
We got cake.